Technology does not stand still, and Subaru continues to push the envelope of in-car connectivity with the new generation of infotainment systems. Welcome to this series of videos about your new Subaru 7-inch infotainment system. If you need further detailed information regarding this system, please refer to the Multimedia System Manual or download a digital PDF copy from the Owner's Resource section of Subaru.ca. Topics in this video series include controls and settings, radio, apps, media, phone, GPS navigation, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let's get started with this video's topic, GPS navigation. For 7-inch infotainment systems with GPS navigation, either select the map button below the touchscreen or the map icon on the home screen. Here the map is displayed along with several icons. On the left is a plus and minus sign. These are used to zoom the map in or out. The scale of the map is displayed in between these two icons. On the top right is a compass icon that can be pressed to cycle through 3 map displays: overhead, north up, and perspective view. Under the compass is 3 more icons, one to turn real-time traffic on or off, one to turn the GPS volume on or off, and a shortcut to find the nearest fuel stations. The status bar on the bottom of the screen indicates where the vehicle currently is and also includes a menu tab to the left. The menu tab pops up a small display with 3 options: search for destination, nearby places, and previous address. Search for destination brings up a search bar and virtual keyboard. Here, a keyword, destination name, or address can be entered. Upon completing an input, a list of results appears and their distance from your current location. Select the result you are looking for and a pop-up screen prompts if you would like to call the destination, assuming a Bluetooth phone is paired, or if you would like to go to that destination. If Go is selected, a summary of the trip appears with various route options and the ability to change route settings if desired. Once everything has been customized, select Go to begin navigation. Back at the menu screen, if Nearby Places is selected, a Points of Interest screen will appear with various categories to choose from. Once a destination is selected, the process to begin navigation is the same as using the search bar. To change navigation settings, click on the Home button below the touchscreen or press the Home icon in the top left corner of the screen. From here, click on Settings and then the Navigation tab. In this menu, route settings, avoidances, junction view, map display, arrival time, points of interest icons, and auto zoom can all be customized. As well, home and work destinations can be stored for easy, quick access later. This concludes the how-to guide for GPS navigation on the 7-inch infotainment system. We hope you enjoyed the video and better understand Subaru's new generation of infotainment systems.